Welcome back to the 3-Minute Node. Pro results, zero filler. We heard some of you are struggling with the slow speed of Qwen3-VL custom nodes. Why the struggle? Custom nodes that load Qwen3-VL natively often rely on the standard Python transformers library. While great for researchers, it is a nightmare for speed. If you want to describe an image and get immediate results without the lag, there is a much faster way using the power of Alama. To get started, head over to the official Alama website and download the installer. Once it is installed, it runs as a lightweight local engine on your PC. Think of it as a local chatbot that stays out of your way until you need it. We are going to bridge that power into our workflow using the ComfyUI Ollama custom node. This setup uses a simple API call to the Alama engine, which keeps the heavy processing external and keeps your ComfyUI interface snappy. In this workflow, I tested the latest Qwen3-VL and the Gemma3 4B models. Qwen3-VL provides superior visual precision, while Gemma3 4B leads on raw speed. I'll demo Qwen3-VL today, but look for a future deep dive comparing Qwen, Gemma, LLMs, and Florence 2. Next, simply install the ComfyUI Ollama custom node via the manager. Now for the integration into our standard ZImage text-to-image workflow. Looking at the workspace, I have included a markdown note with a specialized prompt chart. This is your cheat sheet for professional descriptions. For this demo, we will use the detailed description instruction, which tells the LLM to focus on subject, lighting, and mood while avoiding speculation. We load our reference image into the Alama Generate node and let the Vision LLM do the work. In about 8 seconds, it delivers a dense, highly accurate prompt that captures the essence of the original shot. Then we move to the generation phase. We take that text output and plug it directly into the positive prompt for ZImage Turbo. I suggest copy and paste instead of directly link the nodes, because your prompt will be saved in the metadata of the PNG you generated. This setup is optimized for speed using an 8-step process with a CFG of 1.0. When we hit Q, the result is a high-fidelity recreation that honors the original composition, powered entirely by your local AI. It is fast, efficient, and light on resources. On the second try, I have adjusted the empty latent to 1024 by 1024 to perfectly match our input image dimensions. The exact JSON for this workflow is available now on our Discord. Stop watching. Start creating. And that's the node, all open source. No filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.